Hello, good morning. Thank you for letting me present our study about bird diversity and structure in different land cover in mining concession area. Presented by me, Andi Siady Hamzah from Faculty of Forestry, Hasanuddin University. Birds are important for the ecosystem by providing various ecological services. Bird distribution and community structure are determined by particular habitat. Sulawesi is one of the islands in Malaysia region which has a high diversity of the bird. Variety of habitat and land cover influence the diversity of the bird. The bird habitat selection mainly governed by landscape structure and in this case by land cover. The changes of the land cover influence bird communities in positive or negative ways depending on the biology of each functional group. In our case, our study, we try to identify the diversity of the birds in mining concession. Our study location at the mining concession area of PT Valley, Indonesia. We know that PT Valley, Indonesia in Sorowako, South Sulawesi, and this is the map of the mining concession area. This is the study area. And then we use combining count point and line transit method. We established 19 area to observe the diversity of the birds. In one area, we establish at least 5 count point and then combining with the line transit, as we can see in the picture, like this. And then this is the distribution of our study area in 19 places in mining concession area. Observation were distributed based on forest land cover and shrub, and then we analyze the data uh, by using the channel winner index. This is the result of the discussion, and this is the diversity index of the bird. As we can see, the higher the diversity index is shown by the high density of forest. As you can see in this graphic, from this graphic. And then also this is the distribution of the species in fall and cover area. We found there are 51 species in the mining concession area, and there are 5 species that we can find in 4 types of land cover. As we can see, this is uh, we divide in 4 types: high density forest, medium density forest, low density forest, and so on. And then from 51 species, we know that there are 29 families of the birds. As we know that uh, the Acipitridae is the one is the family of the bird that we can find uh, many species in the area. As we and from this graphic, you can see that we found that there are 6 species of bird from Acipitridae. And then from the identify, we found also that there are 6 types of bird according to their feeding gills: piscivore, nectarivore, insectivore, granivore, frugivore, carnivore. As we can see that insectivore is the higher uh, number of species that we can find in the mining concession area. As we can see, as we know that most of the area is covered by the forest, so some of the birds live in the forest and also eat the insect that live in the forest. So if the land cover change, if the forests are cut down and clean, so maybe some of the insectivore bird maybe cannot live anymore in that area. And then from the 51 species, we found that there are 16 species of endemic of Sulawesi, and then there are 12 species are protected. And also, we try to identify the conservation status according to the IUCN Red List, International Union of Conservation of Nature. We can find from the 51 species we found there are 1 species of endangered. And then we also try to figure the population condition according to the IUCN report. As we can see from the 51 species, some of them, the population, their population are decreasing. And this is the picture of the species that we can found in this study area. And conclusion, there are 51 species of bird found in mining concession area of Petén Valley. The highest diversity index of bird was shown by high density forest area. The composition of bird feeding girl are piscivore, nectarivore, insectivore, granivore, frugivore, and carnivore. And there are 16 endemic species and 12 species are protected. Thank you.